Welcome everyone here in Kauri Island. So ang gagawin natin ngayon, we're gonna walk through how beautiful this island here in Honda Bay, which is the Kauri Island. We're gonna change the camera, guys. This is it, Kauri Island. Actually, from all the islands dito sa Kauri, karamihan talaga lahat ng mga nag-i-stay in dito. So pwede silang mag-stay for the whole hours ng available dito sa Kauri. So this is Kauri Island. Mag-ikot-ikot tayo dito. Dito yung ating information. So kanina nagpa-massage tayo. Thank you so much sa ating mga masahista. Yes, meron ditong lifeguard. So safe dito sa Honda Bay. And then Honda Bay composes of how many islands? Pero ito yung usual thing na talagang itong island na to ay dito karamihan talaga nag-i-stay for the longer hours. At bukod dun sa Luli Island o yung Lulubog Lilitaw. See? Meron dito kung gusto nyo mag-CR, meron ditong spa. So that is the spa area. So karamihan dito ay kung saan kakain. You can bring your own food. By the way, to everyone that is wanted to know how it goes here in the island of Kauri, you can bring your own food. Kung wala naman kayong pagkain, ay may available dito sa Kauri Island. Ang ganda lang, promise, dito. So thank you so much Honda Bay for this wonderful, amazing experience. So ito yung kanilang mga cottages by the side. At meron din silang mga pavilions. And this is the massage area. Well, actually sarado na sila ngayon kasi tapos na. So this is their massage area. Yan, Kauri Island massage. So meron silang mga massage 1 hour 450, half hour 300. This is it. And we'll go to the other side. So kung gusto niyo namang tumakbo sa restroom, ay meron din ditong restroom. Kung gusto niyo mag-shower, meron ditong paliguan din. It has available everything. So for now, the services for Honda Bay is day tour only. So wala pa pong overnight stay in dito. So I don't know if may mga special access kung magkakaroon man ng overnight. But better you can ask sa management ng Hubay. So meron ditong mga comfort rooms for men and women. Meron din ditong shower room, to smoking area. Actually malapad to eh. So hanggang dito lang tayo sa maabutan natin. So this is the shower room. Oh, nice, di ba? So everyone wanted to visit here in Kauri. Kauri is part of the Honda Bay tour. Merong Luli Island, Pandan Island. One of the best activity here yung snorkeling. Kung saan sa Pambato Reef, you will witness thousands of species of fishes, mga gandang mga corales. Ang linis dito, guys. So as you can see, medyo wala ng tao kasi tayo na yung almost last visitors or guests to stay here in Kauri Island. But after that, after this vlog, by the way, actually inaantay na lang nila ako, is uuwi na tayo. Turquoise water here in Kauri Island. See that, guys? Very calm. Nice. Uy, meron sila dito ng uupo ka dyan. Tapos ang ganda lang ng ang ganda ng view. Look at that. I love Kauri Island. So nice. Uwian na ang mga staff at ang mga visitors. Uwian na rin. Kaya tayo naman ang susunod. The best thing in the world is to enjoy with nature. And this, here in Kauri Island, come and visit Honda Bay. So dito ay meron tayong mga services sa Honda Bay. may mga manifesting tayo. And it depends of how many islands yung packages natin. So our last destination and our last island to enjoy for island hopping here in Honda Bay is here in Cowrie. Uwi na, uwi na. So ito yung aming mga group. Ay uuwi na kami. Ate, uwi na tayo, no? Tara.
Ikaw tumulong ka na.
Okay ka na, Ibo? Oh, kita mo, sunog na yung balat mo.
Mas lalo na yun.
Bukasan natin ito ha.
Look at this. Look at this. So yun yung bangka namin. Naiwan. The major one. So again, thank you so much everyone. And I hope you enjoy every journey na tayong napupuntahan natin. And thank you so much everyone for the love and support of Kuya Ron in the island. And this is me saying thank you everyone for all your love and support. Keep watching as we keep tuning in. Marami pa tayong mga journey na you're going to share. And thank you so much for our 34,000 followers, my goodness. And then we are growing more and more because of you. That's why I value everyone. So kung makikita man tayo, kung saan man tayo naroon at we recognize, mas maganda magkaroon tayo ng selfie for our memory. That is gonna be a part of, yun yung gusto kong mangyari na magkaroon din ako ng mga parts with my followers. And ikaw na nanonood nitong aking video is you are part of my journey and the story to tell and many places to travel with. Again, this is Kuya Ron in the island saying always never regret to do things that made you smile. Thank you so much all the way here in the Honda Bay and the island of Cowrie. Thank you so much. See you on the next vlog.